In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notebooklm, which is a powerful tool developed by Google to help you streamline your research and note-taking process. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to keep their ideas organized, Notebooklm can be an excellent addition to your toolkit. So let's dive in and see how you can make the most of it. First things first, head over to notebooklm.google.com. This is the main hub where everything happens. It's important to ensure you're logged into your Google account for a seamless experience. Once you're there, you'll see the option to create a new notebook. Click on that, and you're beginning your journey. Creating a notebook is quite straightforward. Think of it as opening a blank document where you can start adding all your information. Now that you've created a notebook, it's time to add your sources. This is where you feed Notebooklm all the information you want to analyze or summarize. You can pull in information from various documents or web pages. Make sure you have all your materials ready, as adding comprehensive sources makes it easier for Notebooklm to offer meaningful insights. Once your sources are in, Notebooklm can do something truly impressive. It generates an AI overview. This is where the magic happens. The system will analyze all your content and provide you with an organized and concise summary. It's like having a research assistant at your fingertips, helping you to pinpoint core themes and insights without wading through endless material. With this overview, you're in a good position to ask questions directly about your content. Imagine having an AI assistant that understands what you've fed into it, ready to answer your queries based on that material. This feature is tremendously useful for delving deeper into complex topics or clarifying any insights from your documents. As you're working through your notebook, don't forget the sidebar. It's a handy tool designed for multitasking. You can switch between different tasks or view multiple items side by side without losing your flow. This makes working on large projects or handling multiple documents more efficient and organized. Sometimes you'll want to add a personal touch to your notes, and that's where manual editing comes in. Feel free to tweak and adjust your notes directly, refining them just the way you like. This flexibility ensures your notebook not only fits your needs, but also your style. Once you're satisfied with all your edits and the AI-generated overview, it's time to export your results. Notebooklm offers various export options, allowing you to save your work in a format that suits you. Whether you want a PDF, a text file, or need to share it with someone else, you have the freedom to choose the best option for your needs. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to effectively use Notebooklm. With these steps, you're well equipped to harness this tool to its full potential. Happy note-taking!